All right, we're here at the AHR 2025, and I'm at the UEI booth with Louise Kellar.
National Training Manager for UEI Test Instruments. Super excited to be here today. If you can see, I don't know how well you can see our background, but we just entered into our 70th year of business, and we are very excited because we had a couple of great products that not only won some dealer design awards, such as our Kane 460 Game Changer. We also won an innovation, or we were in the top 3 for innovation awards for that product. And in addition to that, our UEI Service Plus program for our combustion analyzers also won a dealer design. So we do a lot with CO and combustion specialists, but today we want to talk about some of our other products that we have out there in the market.
Awesome, let's get into it.
All right. So we want to talk about our Kane 460 that I mentioned just a second ago. This is a combustion analyzer. We talked a little bit about our service program, but what I want to talk to you today are about all the other connections that you can use not only with your Kane 460, but you can also use with their own free app from UEI. So one of the products that I'd like to highlight today happens to be our Hub series. So featured today, you are seeing our Hub 8. We just redesigned the case, so it's in a nice black hard case for you. But what's really neat about this, especially with all the changes that are happening in the industry right now, we might have talked a little bit about A2Ls in the past few months, few years, as far as that goes. But what's really neat about this Hub system is the fact that our wireless gauge sets actually have 180-degree swivel on them, low loss fittings, and a pass-through charging port, so you don't have to have that additional T. So it's going to make it easier for you to get into those harder to reach spaces. In addition to that, we've redesigned our pipe clamp. You'll see that our pipe clamp has a very nice narrow jaw head on it to help you get into those tighter to reach spots, and you'll be able to do that non-invasive testing that's becoming so popular. Beyond just having those great features, we have our wireless hygrometer probes. These wireless hygrometer probes are great because they have magnets on the back, 180-degree swivel going on, and it's going to calculate not only your target delta T, it'll show you your actual delta T. In addition to, it will show you wet bulb, dry bulb, relative humidity, and it will even calculate out the enthalpy for you. Included in this Hub 8 set, you will also find a third outdoor temperature sensor. This is going to be key, especially when we're trying to get targeted superheat. And the very last feature that you'll see on there happens to be we have a wireless micron gauge. So it's an easy to use free app that you can use for your Hub system. Beyond just having those, we came out with some new manometers. So we actually came out with 2 different sets of manometers. The very first set of manometer that we came out with is this really nice DPM. The DPM is a dual port manometer. Not only do you have a physical display with it, it allows you to run it to an app so you can see your differentials. You can even log, store, and record any of your results. The one that I'm really excited about is our SPM kit. Our SPM kit it's 2 single port manometers, but it comes with all of the things that you need to do, like your magnetic static pressure probes. It also comes with the stepped yellow T, so you can do your pressure switch testing. And with the app, you can actually hook up to 6 of these. So if we were looking at multiple systems, we could see all of our results in the app, and we'll also see our displays of individual pressures on the probes. And just because we care so much, we heard a lot of things out there in the industry. And the very last product that I want to highlight for us happens to be our DL599. Now, our DL599 has been in the market for a little while now, but we made some really great improvements on it. So this meter has always had wireless connection. It's always been able to do DC amps through the amp clamp. But one of the biggest additions that we added is that you can now do power factor and wattage all within this meter. So those are some of the great new products that UEI is highlighting this year, and thank you for taking some time and watching our video.
Thanks for watching. If you're willing, give this video a thumbs up and drop us a comment. Don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with all of our future videos. And as a quick reminder, HVAC School isn't just a YouTube channel. Dive deeper with us at our main website, hvacrschool.com. Curious for more knowledge on the go? We've got you covered. Tune into the HVAC School podcast, available on all your favorite podcast apps. And while you're at it, join our thriving Facebook group. Also, don't miss out on our free mobile applications available for both iPhone and Android. We're all about community. For techs, by techs.